Sir and madam, and my dear friends, a present good morning to one and all. Myself, Kesharantesh Roy. I am pursuing 10th grade at Loksit tutorial. Today I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I want to say complete seminar regarding electromagnetism. Before starting seminar, I want to share some important few lines in my today's seminar. Imagine yourself how my seminar will be there. Today my seminar will continue with 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark and 8 mark questions. So my humble advice is, please watch my seminar video from starting point to ending point without fail. Let's start seminar. Yes. Do you know what is define of electromagnetism? Yes, electromagnetism is nothing but electromagnetism means the process of getting energy or any passing charges by the help of a magnetic field is known as electromagnetism. In electromagnetism, we will get energy from the magnet. How? Do you know? How means we have to take one magnet and we have to take another metal or any iron ore. We have to keep that nearer to magnet. On that time we will find out that the formation of electromagnetic waves and magnetic wavelines will be formed. It is because of magnetic fields. The surrounding area of the magnet will form the magnetic lines. These are known as magnetic lines. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Now I want to say some important definitions in this chapter. These definitions may be asking in coming examinations and this definition was previously repeated for many times. AC generator. AC generator is nothing but it is a machine which converts the electrical energy into chemical energy is known as AC generator. In AC generator, the two slip rings are used. I will show the picture of AC generator. Once again. This is the picture of AC generator. In AC generator, if we use two slip rings from the magnet of two magnets, with the help of one wire, the current will pass to in first slip ring to another slip ring. In this way, the current formation will take place in AC generator. In DC generator, we have to remove the second slip rings. If we remove that, in first slip rings only, the DC generator will passes the current to the generator. In this way, we will get energy to our home appliances in other electrical machines. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Next, right hand thumbs rule. Right hand thumbs rule is nothing but the process of moving the electrons or any charges in right hand thumbs rule from right side to left side is known as right hand thumbs rule. In right hand thumbs rule, the current will flow from clockwise is known as right hand thumbs rule. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Next, Faraday's law. Faraday's law is nothing but the process of moving electrons or any charges from based on the magnet poles is known as Faraday's law. I will show the picture of Faraday's law once again. This is the picture of Faraday's law. When the light will fall on the galvanometer, on the time it is nearer to the galvanometer. When light will passes from the mirror or any lens, on the time it move in that direction. It is known as Faraday's law. In this way, we know that Faraday's law. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Let us enter into another topic. The another topic is induced EMF. Induced EMF is nothing but the current will flow with the help of coil, and above the coil is known as induced EMF. In induced EMF is nothing but electromotive force. Electromotive force means the process of changing or converting the chemical energy into electrical energy with the help of coil is known as EMF. EMF stands for electromotive force. Are you understood? I hope you are understood. Let us enter into another topic. The another topic is electric motor. Electric motor is nothing but it is a machine which changes the chemical energy into electrical energy is known as electric motor. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. The next topic is electric generator. Electric generator is nothing but it is a machine which changes the chemical energy into electrical energy is known as a generator. Through generator we will get energy or any current from to our home appliances. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Now I want to say one important topic in this chapter. The important experiment is first of all we have to take one V-shaped stand. I will show the picture of that experiment once again. This is the picture of that experiment. In this experiment we have to take two V-shaped stands, and we have to take one metal or any wire, and we have to take one U-shaped magnet and a horseshoe magnet. Keep that magnet above the wire and connect the wire with one switch and one battery. You will observe if you pour some sparkles or any minute particles of the iron or any metal, you will observe the lines of the magnetic field. In this way we know that the magnetic field lines will be in circular in shape and they are in oval in shapes. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Let us enter into another topic, the units of the metals and non-metals in this chapter. I will show the table of that once again. This is the table of physical quantity. In magnetic field, the units of magnetic field are Weber. Magnetic flux density units are Weber per meter square. The force units are Newton. The velocity units are meter per second. The kinetic energy units are joules. Time period units are seconds. Torque units are Nm. Nm is nothing but nanometer. Induced EMF. The units of induced EMF are volt, and induced current units are amperes. Volts are measured by voltmeter and amperes are measured by voltmeter only. These are the very important topic in this chapter. I want to repeat important questions in this chapter again. Write the differences between AC generator and DC generator. Write about AC generator. Write about DC generator. Write the neat labeled diagram of AC generator. Write neat labeled diagram of DC generator. Draw neat labeled diagram of electric motor. Write about electric motor. Write the activity of magnetic flux density. Write about Faraday's law. Write about right hand thumbs rule. Write about electric generator. These are the important questions in this chapter. Thanking you for spending your valuable time for listening my seminar video. Stay home.